What's going on, guys? I have another 350Z. This is a 2006 Rev Up edition. Obviously it has a Rocket Bunny kit on it, some deep dish rims, and it's gonna be the new build. So the reason as to why I got this is I actually got another stock 350Z that I haven't shown any of you guys yet, and actually fixed that up. I got it for a really good price, fixed it up, needed some things, and sold it over to a friend of mine. And I found this one and thought that this would be a really good starting point. Now I already fixed a lot of the little imperfections that I already had, though I left some for the video, like these cracks, like the paint right here. There actually used to be duct tape, and he ripped that off and ripped off the paint. The holes in the trunk where I put grommets. They used to have a whole bunch of different style of wings, I think, and just had a whole bunch of holes back here, so we gotta get that fixed. Obviously it's on air ride. It's honestly a pretty sweet car. Actually, I got the car with problems and then I fixed it up so it's here now. I could drive it. So my main reason as to why I got this is it'd be a good starting point. I want it to be different than all the rest of the cars, so I'm actually gonna repaint it. It's gonna have a whole new look to it. So keep up on my social media at Just Call Me B97, and I'll be giving updates on what this car's new look is gonna be. It's definitely gonna be a little different, and honestly, it's probably gonna be one of my dream builds as a 350Z, since obviously I'm in love with 350Zs. Give us like 5 more minutes. I know we've been taking a little bit. What time is it? A few more minutes and then we'll get going. Cool. All right, we got 5 minutes. I have a brand new twin turbo kit for this thing, a brand new built motor we're gonna put in this thing. It's gonna be my new street car. But we have to focus on the Evo first. That's actually in the shop, getting a new alternator that actually went out on me after the dyno run, so we gotta deal with that. But in all, this is my new project toy. Obviously, we don't have too much time to explain, but follow my Instagram at Just Call Me B97, and you guys are able to see the build. And I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this car. It's gonna be like a really nice street show car. So let me know your guys' favorite car and which build you're more excited about down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.